YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Shout out to Speck, man. They know your boy got the Fold3, and they know I needed some protection. So they sent over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, the Presidio Perfect Clear Fold, and it's got a foldable design, conception pliable, so it works with the concept of the fold. All right, let's see what's on the back of the box. Typical Speck packaging. Clear guarantee, is gonna stay clear. Foldable design. Our smart one-piece design ensures your phone opens and closes easily with an extra secure fit. 13 feet of drop protection. Antimicrobial product protection. You want something that's gonna get rid of them germs, guys, in the days that we living in right now, guys. So definitely sounds good. But let's go ahead and get it out the package, man. Easy Speck packaging. You know, I don't know, I'm making it hard right now. For some reason, it's not sliding out. It's like the type of day I'm having. So we just gonna go ahead. Shout out to Flossie Carter. Anger levels increasing. Anger level just really increased just now. But yeah. So as you can see, okay, we got a piece of tape actually holding this thing together. I had to remove that. I'll give this thing a wipe down, guys, before we even apply it to set device. Okay, guys, I just wanted to clean the inside of the case because, you know, once I put the inside of the phone in the case, I can't clean it anymore. But as you can see, it's like a two-part case that sticks together. I've seen cases that come in mostly two parts, but this has like a little hinge on it itself. As you can see, nice little cutouts. And we just gonna go ahead and try it and apply it. You see nice little Speck branding, guys. Let's go ahead and try it and apply it. Excuse the screen on my phone. I've been touching it, doing videos, guys. Oh, if it went in there right, there we go. Boom. Very nice and clear, guys. I like how it's nice and clear. Off of the raised up lip for the front screen. Big natural cutout, so it's a big cutout. And when I say natural, I mean you're gonna touch the natural buttons on the phone, guys. Nice cutouts on the bottom for everything you need to do, charge and speakers, everything like that. Microphone, nice big speaker cutout on the top. And you got your hinge out. I really don't like those cases that cover the hinge. I feel like those cases do too much. You just gotta be careful, guys. This is a beautiful piece of artwork, and I feel like in this case it is offers some protection, but it's still on display, guys. So man, shout out to Speck for sending this thing over, man. The Presidio clear for the fold, man. Very dope, keeping me very protected. You know, when I'm folding out there in these streets, if I drop it, I know, you know, I got a lot of protection. This is this is nice, solid TP protection right here, guys. And around the, you know, nice raised up lip. You know, this built for drop protection. You can tell some science involved. Only thing is you got your hinge out. Excuse me, got your hands out. You want to make sure that that does not hit the ground. But yeah, shout out to Speck. It's your man BG Tech Life. We out. Peace.